I'm gonna go through a couple of the reasons why I personally do not buy eBay turbo kits. Um, Number one is just really fitment. Fitment is horrible. Nothing fits right. And then second of all, it looks like they just throw whatever looks like will fit on, and nothing ever fits right. So it's kind of like, really? But I'll show you guys here. All right, so first things first, you guys probably know log manifolds. If you put their wastegate, hood does not close, so you have to make a 90. That's one of them. Just trying to make it work however it works. Then another thing, this is one of the fittings that they sent, right? This is a restrictor for the turbo right here. This is the oil line that they send, but if you guys can see, completely different sizes. That's what I mean by, looks like they just give you whatever they think looks like it fits. Then my favorite one here, so you guys can see I got the downpipe bolted up. How everything's bolted up pretty much for good now, other than that dump tube for the wastegate. But if you look down here, what the heck? That is the downpipe. Like, it's like a universal one, or I don't get it. It just aggravates me, really. That's like supposed to be a bolt-on kit. None of the intercooler piping fits, so I always make it fit anyways. But yeah, that's what I have to deal with this cheaper kit. So with that said, honestly, if you're looking to get a turbo kit, spend the extra money, get something a little better that has better quality and better fitment, because if not, you're gonna be trying to make things fit that definitely are not gonna fit. And I mean, honestly, it's just a waste of time in a way, because you just have to spend more time making it work. But it is what it is. This thing's almost done, so I'm just gonna get it done and go from there.